Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy air fryer chicken fried rice. It can be made in the Ninja Foodi as a Ninja Foodi recipe too, and it's easy to make gluten-free if that's a need as well, with a simple swap of soy sauce. So we are going to get started on this easy recipe. You're going to need 1 cup of cooked chicken, 4 cups of cold cooked rice. Think leftover rice. It's best if it comes straight from the fridge. 1/4 cup of diced onion, celery, and carrots, 4 to 6 tablespoons of gluten-free or regular soy sauce, and then coconut oil or grapeseed cooking spray, just to spray in the air fryer before you get started. So you can use your preference there. Now the first thing you want to do is line your air fryer with foil or parchment paper. They have parchment paper that actually fits an air fryer, so you can use that. Or if you use aluminum foil, be sure to roll up the sides similar to this picture where the air will still circulate around the food. So once you've got the foil in, you're going to spray it with the coconut oil or the grapeseed oil, olive oil, whichever one you prefer. And then you're going to add in the cooked chicken, the cold cooked rice, the onion, celery, carrots, and then you're going to stir in that soy sauce. So you're going to mix all of these ingredients together right on top of the foil or the parchment paper. So you'll want to do that and make sure it's really well mixed. And then once you've got that in, you're going to air fry this for 10 minutes at 390 degrees. Now after 5 minutes, I like to open up the lid and carefully stir it all up and then add some additional soy sauce, because the soy sauce is really going to be up to your taste preference. So I like to add a little bit more to kind of get at that browned look that you would see at a traditional restaurant with chicken fried rice. So once you've got that in there, you're going to finish the air frying time. So this has been air fried now for 10 minutes, and that's what you're seeing here. The chicken was already cooked, so you don't have to cook it very long because you're using cooked chicken. You're mainly cooking it just to kind of get at that fried taste and texture and to get those veggies soft. So this is one of the easiest recipes to use leftover chicken and rice with. The rice comes straight from the fridge. It's cold. It's best to use cold rice. Warm rice does not work very well for this recipe at all because then you end up overcooking the rice or overheating it. So be sure to use leftover chicken and leftover rice. So this is one of our go-to recipes because it's so quick and easy in the air fryer. And then you can pair it with egg rolls if you want, which can also be cooked in the air fryer, or any type of chicken really that you prefer. But you can find this recipe and more all over on mommyhatescooking.com. And I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this really quick and easy air fryer chicken fried rice or Ninja Foodi chicken fried rice. Thanks so much for joining in, and be sure to tune in for the next recipe.